Dutch and prepositions. It's always fun, right? Well, actually, not much, especially with this door. What does door mean? Well, there are four or five usages of door, so let's learn about them in this video. The first one is through, as in, ze kijken door het raam. They're looking through the window. You can also say to go through a forest, then you would also use door. Number 2. Dat wordt door hem gedaan. That's being done by him, or he is doing that. And this is the passive voice. The passive voice is contrary to the active voice, and the active voice is I read a book, and the passive voice is a book was read by me, something like that. And by me, this by me, that will be translated by door, so the by would become a door. If you're interested in the passive voice, there's a little button appearing up there. You can click on to learn everything about the passive voice. All right. Good. Then there are a couple of verbs that use door as a fixed preposition. So they always have this preposition door when you're using them. And one of them, and maybe even the most common one, we kunnen dit vervangen door een ander document. Okay? And what does it mean? We can replace it with another document. And here it means with instead of by or through. All right, so door is also a fixed preposition with some verbs, not that many. There are also expressions with door, and this one here is a funny one. Ik ken hem door en door. What do you think it means? I know him through and through. Yeah, I know him thoroughly. I know him really well. So door and door means thoroughly. And the last one, and maybe one of the most frequent ways to use door, is this one here. Door jouw presentatie hebben we een beter overzicht. Because of your presentation, we have a better overview. Aha, because of. Yes. Door also means because of. You can also translate it as a result of or thanks to. Thanks to your presentation, we have a better overview of the situation. Good. So remember, through the passive, some verbs, and then the because of or the due to or as a result of. And there's one last usage of door, which is combining it with a verb. For example, ik werk door. I continue working. So door there means to continue, and you can learn all about it in the video you see appearing on the screen. See you there.